Sleep and diet are two lifestyle pillars that deeply influence brain health, and their interaction is increasingly recognized as a powerful, though often underestimated, factor in reducing the risk of cognitive decline and dementia. While each plays an independent role in supporting memory, focus, and long-term neurological resilience, the two systems are biologically intertwined. Poor sleep can disrupt metabolic health and increase cravings for unhealthy foods, while a poor diet can fragment sleep architecture and heighten inflammation, creating a feedback loop that may accelerate cognitive aging if left unaddressed. Sleep is essential for memory consolidation, brain detoxification, and emotional regulation. During deep, non-REM sleep, the brain activates its glymphatic system, a waste-clearing process that flushes out toxins, including beta amyloid, the protein that accumulates in Alzheimer's disease. Chronic sleep deprivation or poor sleep quality impairs the system, leading to increased inflammation, oxidative stress, and ultimately the buildup of neurotoxic debris. Studies have shown that people who consistently sleep less than 6 hours a night have a significantly higher risk of dementia later in life. Diet modulates this risk in several ways, particularly through its impact on inflammation, blood sugar regulation, and circadian rhythm alignment. Diets high in processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats increase markers of systemic inflammation and insulin resistance, two conditions strongly associated with disrupted sleep and impaired cognitive function. These same dietary patterns also impair melatonin production and alter cortisol rhythms, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Conversely, diets rich in fiber, antioxidants, healthy fats, and plant-based compounds can improve sleep and, by extension, protect the brain. Nutrients like magnesium, found in nuts, seeds, and leafy greens, tryptophan in eggs, poultry, and dairy, and omega-3 fatty acids from fatty fish and flax seeds, help promote sleep quality by supporting the synthesis of melatonin and serotonin. B vitamins, especially B6 and B12, are also essential for maintaining circadian stability and preventing mood disorders that interfere with restful sleep. Emerging research highlights that poor sleep can alter food choices the next day, often shifting preference toward calorie-dense, low-nutrient foods high in sugar and fat. This pattern not only exacerbates weight gain and insulin resistance, but also contributes to long-term cognitive vulnerability. Sleep-deprived individuals also show decreased activity in the prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for judgment and impulse control, which may further undermine healthy eating habits and self-regulation. Furthermore, the gut microbiome plays a mediating role in the sleep-diet-cognition triangle. A fiber-rich diet that supports microbial diversity is linked to better production of short-chain fatty acids and other neuroactive compounds that promote calm, improve stress resilience, and support restorative sleep. Disrupted sleep, in contrast, negatively alters the gut microbiome, increasing intestinal permeability and triggering immune responses that can damage brain cells over time. Despite the clear biological links, many public health approaches treat sleep and nutrition separately. In reality, their effects on cognitive health are often synergistic. For example, adopting a Mediterranean or MIND diet has been shown to improve sleep quality over time, and people who eat dinner earlier and avoid late-night snacking tend to have more stable circadian rhythms. Meanwhile, sleep hygiene practices, like going to bed at a consistent time, reducing screen exposure before sleep, and ensuring a dark, quiet environment, can reinforce healthier dietary choices the following day. The main caution is that these systems are highly sensitive to disruption. People with insomnia, sleep apnea, or circadian rhythm disorders may not fully benefit from a healthy diet unless their sleep is treated directly. Likewise, relying on sleep alone without addressing inflammatory or nutrient-deficient eating habits may provide only temporary protection against cognitive decline. In the end, nutrition and sleep function as a closed loop in the brain's defense system against aging and dementia. Investing in one strengthens the other, and neglecting either may quietly erode resilience over time. Recognizing and optimizing this interaction through a consistent sleep schedule, an anti-inflammatory diet, and attention to gut and metabolic health offers one of the most practical and impactful strategies for maintaining cognitive clarity well into later life.